As today we'll talk about how can you enable daily clause on your Robinhood app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go down, click in this sign down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you just click here on notifications and messages. Then you click here on push notifications here. So then you keep going down here, just go down. Then you click here on market updates. Then you go down here, you come here to daily clause, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's main daily clause enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.